Our Cwm Taf Wellbeing Plan. What is it? It is a way of everyone working together. Why? To improve well-being. Where will it happen? Across Cwm Taf, which is Rhondda Cynon Taf and Merthyr Tydfil. Who will it affect? Everyone living in Cwm Taf. When will it happen? Starting in 2019. How? We have 3 objectives. Let us explain it to you. Our main goal is to tackle isolation and loneliness. Because we know someone in a crowd can still feel lonely. And someone on their own can be content and happy. We will all work together in new ways to make stronger communities. We can tackle isolation and loneliness through volunteering and connecting generations together. There are 3 priorities. 1. Thriving communities, where people feel confident, safe and strong. How will we do that? By building community hubs in the heart of the community, with one front door for everyone. Creating communities that are better informed of how childhood experiences impact individuals in adulthood. And build resilient communities. A resilient community will have a sense of belonging, trusted people to talk to, something to look forward to, understanding of feelings and emotions, hope for the future. 2. Healthy people. Helping people live long and healthy lives. Their whole lives. We hope to encourage these healthy behaviours. Exercise more. Bedtime routine. Be active outdoors. Recycle more. Reduce fast foods. Reduce alcohol. Reduce smoking. And a better awareness of mental health. Finally 3. Strong economies. Attracting people to work, live and play in Cwm Taf. Better transport by supporting local businesses. Affordable housing. Tackling homelessness. Providing local quality jobs. Education and apprenticeships. Tourism and culture. And a hope for the future. Our main goal is our well-being. It's our future. It's our Cwm Taf.